Once you log into Aware, if you'll click on the Assessments tab, it'll bring up two different choices. You'll click on District Assessments, you'll click on District Benchmark, Active Administrations, Grade Level, Test, and dependent upon if you have a pre-AP class or a regular class. Once you click on the class, you'll click Print Answer Sheets, and the choices will come up for your classes. Once you click Print, all your answer keys will come up as a PDF file. Click File, Print, and you can have all of your answer sheets printed at the same time. Or if you just want an individual answer sheet, then you would have to go class period by class period.